Hey everybody, welcome back to the Norden Haus episode 2. I don't know what we're calling this. This was just a quick little weekend trip that me and the family did to take care of some projects. We did some painting. Thanks Ellen and Kevin for taking care of that. And part of the painting was in the kitchen, and we needed to reinstall all the cabinet doors. The hinges that we had previously were ugly and old and dated and black, and we needed to change those. So part of that, part of this trip was to do that, and the other part was you can see me failing at backing up a trailer to go to Menards and pick up foam board insulation. The cabin currently is a 3-season porch, and the basement is not insulated. One of the projects we did recently was to do spray foam in the crawl space and then along the rim joists as well. And we also wanted to insulate the basement walls, the foundation walls, with rigid foam insulation. So this trailer, although you can't see it now, is filled to the brim with pink foam insulation. And that's part of the reason why I brought the trailer. So step one, when I got the cabin, I just wanted to clear out all the snow, make sure we weren't tracking it in to the cabin. So that's what I did here. Pretty quick job. These upper cabinets they were a pain in the butt. The lower ones went on a lot easier, although I think I still need some adjusting. As you can see, whenever we go up to the cabin, it's always kind of a one-person job. One person gets to do the work, and the other person gets to do the work with the children. So you can see them rolling around. There's Calvin. I had Lauren help with putting all of the door stoppers on. Thanks, Fran and Julie, for allowing us to use the solo stove. It was a little challenging to get started just because I think I wasn't tried using a mid golden light box, which did not start very well. So in the future, just a little FYI, try using some rolled up paper towels. I had the kids help light their first matches, and after everything was done, well, the cabinet doors at least, Lauren and I enjoyed a little fire out on our deck and watched the fishermen and the snowmobilers. It was a great weekend. I also did just want to thank everyone for following us along on this journey. I think it's going to be really fun to see the progression of what we have coming up. We are still working through getting our full approval in order to rent out the cabin, but it is our full intention to do that. I hope I'm not jinxing us here by saying that. So please send your support to the Stearns County Board of Commissioners. All joking aside, I do appreciate everyone following us along in this journey, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. As always, stay happy, healthy, and hungry.
Can you grab it, please?
What?
Look to your left. Right there. That tripod thing?
Oh, this.